Hello everyone and welcome back to Yazzy's World. Stay tuned for this quick tutorial on how to make bacon avocado fries. Hi guys and welcome back to Yazzy's World. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I'm back today at least with a really quick, easy video. Sorry about the lawnmower in the back. My subdivision's yard is being worked on right now, so you are going to hear weed whackers and all that. But anyways, hey, that's life. This is my everyday life. But anywho, so I have still been on my keto journey. I've lost, up until today, I've lost 35 pounds. When I started, I was at 290. Now I'm at 255. So, I mean, it's working. I'm not going to say it's for everybody because everybody's body might not adapt to it, but it's working for me. I have done like little cheat days here and there, but I'm still able to come back from those and, you know, stay on my regular routine. But I'm still not like eating a whole bunch of sweets, and like it's funny because I can barely eat a whole piece of cake or even a half a piece of cake now. Like it's just too sweet for me. But that's another video. Maybe I'll do a keto journey video and you guys can ask me some questions and, you know, I can answer them for you guys. But I'm still here. I'm still doing my keto journey. Looking forward to posting a little bit more keto recipes as well. But anyways, today we have avocado bacon fries. It's really simple, really quick. I'm only going to use one avocado because this is actually my first time doing it. So I'm going to do one avocado and, of course, how many ever strips of bacon I need. So basically for this recipe, you're going to need an avocado or two and a pack of bacon. I'm not saying that you're going to use the whole pack of bacon, but, you know, just to have your bacon on standby. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, you guys, so I've already peeled the avocado, took the seed out, all that great stuff. So I cut the avocado into 8 pieces. I cut it in half and then 4 slices for each half. So how many ever you're working with or you're using, you know, you don't want the pieces too thick, but just right. And I think that's pretty good. It's pretty good slices there. And of course I have my bacon. I had one pack already opened, and I'm gonna, whatever bacon of your brand, does not matter. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven for 425 degrees, and they're gonna cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, but go ahead and just preset it for 425. Okay guys, so I already wrapped more than half of them, but I wanted to show you guys how I wrap them. Not gonna lie, it seems really weird wrapping avocado in bacon, but we shall see. So I have my slice of avocado and I have my bacon, and I just kind of wrap it around. It's kind of slippery, not gonna lie, but just try to get a tight grip on it and just wrap it like it's in a cocoon. Just wrap it around. Doesn't have to be done any perfect way. Just make sure you have it wrapped so it looks like this. And lay it on your mat. You can use a silicone mat or a parchment paper. So my last piece, I'm gonna wrap it around, kind of tuck it a little bit, and then take the other piece and just wrap it. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And there you have it. There you have it. Doesn't have to be super neat, but it works. Hey. So you're gonna put these in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. So while they're cooking for that 15 minutes, and I'm gonna make them neater, of course. You can go ahead and get you a side of ranch or any type of dip you wanna dip these bad boys into. So this is the finished product before the oven, 425 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, when I tell you my house smells delicious, guys. This is the finished product. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.